I think it's a validation of an industry standard that everyone acknowledges as skill sets. So there's no kind of question. If you present a SACA certification, not only universities, school-wise, but companies are starting to recognize those as true skill sets now. So Rivian Automotive, we produce a R1T and R1S truck and SUV fully electric vehicles. Currently in Normal, Illinois is where our production facilities are. We have 3 massive facilities here that require a lot of upkeep, right? So, and not only is it a massive floor space, it's dealing with really cutting edge technology, new systems. So again, the need for highly skilled and trained individuals for Industry 4.0, heavily automated industry, man, we are right at the edge of that. It's what makes Rivian, I think, exciting to work at, is the ability to work on brand new systems that are coming straight off the shelf. So,
coming out of high school, I was able to get a job at Rivian. It wasn't in maintenance, but I was okay. I started in production line, working the line, building cars, but being around the equipment really brought reality. These aren't just little components that we're learning about. These are a lot bigger scale that takes 100 different small things to make one big thing work. With the SACA certifications, they really give you that solid foundation to be able to go forth in a career that is about maintaining these expensive and highly advanced systems. With the SACA certifications, they bring, break down everything.
I think anyone that works in industry right now feels the need for highly skilled technicians. With the way manufacturing is headed, really with the Industry 4.0, heavily automated, with our new models, our new factories going up, the need for highly skilled and trained individuals, especially younger individuals coming right out of high school, is heavily needed in the industry, and Rivian's not absolved from that.
I got the Electrical Systems Specialist certification. Takes about, I'll say, 5 or 6 micro-credentials to get a specialist certification, because you got to go through every single stage of what that specialist certification requires you to know. They've really brought a higher understanding to my own knowledge, and even made some even more complicated issues at my job more easier.
I think the broken down certifications that can be bite-sized, taken care of in 6 to 8 weeks, is perfect for a person like myself and like the technician world out there. And even for our old school guys, right, our technicians who've been in the field 30 plus years, those are excellent opportunities for those guys just to go and take 6 or 8 weeks and get upscaled into something, so they can kind of be on the same level as the new guys coming out of the shops. I think that where we for the rest of the world maybe differ is we can't get to kids at 14, 16 years old and present them with opportunity. So I think really what this SACA certifications, and especially involving themselves with high school kids and the younger generation, giving them an out, giving them a pathway that's not your traditional school route, I think that's really the emphasis of what they're trying to do, and I think it works perfectly for that. So. It's solid. I don't need to recreate the wheel. So having a third-party company that has this all packaged tightly that we can kind of take and use, and we know that it's vetted and we're getting skills out of it, it makes it very beneficial for us.